Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to style a hair bonnet wrap. So I'm going to wear my earring first. So this earring, I made it in like 20 minutes before I started recording this video. I was like, it's be really cool, you know, matching earrings with the hair bonnet wrap. It's pretty cool. Okay, so I've tied it up already. Okay, so here is a hair bonnet with wrap. So it is lined with satin. So just going to put the hair in. I'm gonna bring this without the mirror. Okay, so you pick this too. Yeah, I left this out because of the style of my hair. My hairstyle it's like these parts are actually sewn down, so I cannot pack it up. So this is take it and tie. Sorry. Hey, let's go. Okay. Adjust it up a little bit, okay. I'm looking good. Okay, so you can order this hair bonnet from us, and there are several other prints you can choose from. So see you in my next video. Bye.